Hi, I am Madhurima Datta, a biology and zoology educational content creator. Today's unit is Diversity of Living Organism for Class 11 CBSE, ICSE and other boards and also NEET aspirant students. Chapter is the biological classification and topic is Introduction of Plant Kingdom, Animal Kingdom and Viroids. Plant Kingdom. What is kingdom planting? Kingdom Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll-containing multicellular organisms, commonly called plants. A few members are partially heterotrophic, such as the insectivorous plants or parasites. Characteristics of the kingdom plantae. These are eukaryotic and have the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. This pigment is present in the organelle chloroplast. Their chloroplast contain chlorophylls A and B. They obtain their energy from the sun through photosynthesis. The cell wall of the plants is composed of cellulose. Cellulose is composed of many glucose units combined together. They reproduce both asexually and sexually. Life cycle of plants show alternation of generation, that is, it has two distinct phases, the diploid sporophytic and the haploid gametophytic phase. Nearly all the plants are autotrophic with the some exceptions. Cascata is a plant parasite that depends on the other plants for its nutrition. Plant includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, and angiosperms. Next, kingdom Animalia. The word animal is derived from the Latin word animalis, which means having breath. This kingdom is characterized by heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular and their cells lack cell walls. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. They digest their food in an internal cavity and store food reserves as glycogen or fat. Characteristics of the kingdom Animalia. These are multicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic organisms and cell lack cell wall. Most animals show movement and show locomotion from one place to another. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic, in which the food is digested in a cavity inside the body. The extra digested food is stored in the body in the form of glycogen. They respire through different organs like lungs, gills, book lungs, and skin also. Complex organ animals show neuromotor mechanism through which electric impulses pass through the body and control and coordination are taken care of. The sexual reproduction is by fusion of the male and female gametes followed by the embryological development. Next, what is virus? Description. The term virus, meaning poison, was given by Pasteur, who studied canine rabies. D.J. Ivansky showed that the causal organism of tobacco mosaic disease could pass through a bacterial filter and remain effective. Viruses are considered to be at the borderline of the living and the non-living organism because virus can grow and multiply within the living host only and thus are the considered to be the living. Characteristics of the virus. These are non-cellular and can pass through the bacterial filters. They cannot be grown on artificial media. They behave as a living host within a host body. They can mutate and form new strains in nature. They are obligate parasites. The nucleic acid is enclosed by the protein coat called as capsid, which protects it. The capsid is made up of many small units called as capsomere. They are made up of macromolecules like protein, DNA, or RNA. They are inactivated by ultraviolet rays. Next, what is viroid? The term viroid was given by Diner for the organism that are the smallest known disease causing agent. They cause potato spindle tuber disease. They usually infect higher plants only. The protein coat is absent and hence the name viroid. The RNA is free and has a low molecular weight. What is prions? It was first discovered by the Kushner. It is an infectious proteinaceous particle. There is no nucleic acid. It causes the mad cow disease and Kuru and Creutzfeldt Jakob disease in human. What is lichen? Theophrastus was first person to use the word lichen. Lichens are a symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Both the individuals are benefited from the association. The fungi provide shelter, absorbs water and nutrients for the algae, and algae in return prepares food. The algal component is known as the phycobiont or photobiont, and the fungal component is known as the mycobiont. The algae present in the association can be mixophyceae or chlorophyceae, and the fungi present can be ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, or deuteromycetes. Today's topic is ended.